It didn't add. All right, we here. What am I? Got on the wrong headphone.
What's going on?
There we go. All right. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Ooh. Yeah, I just got stopped out. I actually was in a gold trade, and I just got stopped out. All good. Mm.
But you live or sim?
Live. I'm live. Yeah, I got stopped out. So
Okay.
if I miss my next trade, I'm definitely done. So
Hmm.
um let me look here. So I mean, of course, I was looking at this area to go long, and next thing you know, that thing, pew, I waited for it to break, got into the next candle. It was like, all right, let's go long right here. And it said, nah, brother, we uh we dropping on you.
Yeah, I
So
see it. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, I see where it hit a level. Like, okay, I'm gonna go long, and then it just dropped.
yeah, so it was here. I was trying to hold above the POC, which if this candle came back, open above it. So I was like, all right, I'm long, and yeah, that thing then drop. So I'm like, all right, well, regroup on that. It's kind of tough. Just looking at here, and one thing I'm gonna say I'm worried about, but just the whole
I already know what you're about to say.
the bomb strike stuff like that
Hmm.
is gonna
Yeah.
have me real cautious, trading a little bit tighter. Um, in fact, I'm lowering my size as well too, the whole nine. Um,
Yeah, I thought about that too.
Here we go. Now it's pushing back up, and I'm like, okay, can I get along here and see? Let's see here. Uh, all right, came back. I'm in it. I'm long. Gold. See if we can get a pushback up to this area. Not. Um, yeah, this gonna be it for me. it's gonna it's gonna be it for me. I probably should have waited, and I am definitely taking that heat on this thing. I guess maybe it want to keep going lower. We'll see. Uh, tightening my stop up a little bit. It's bouncing hard. We'll see. Ooh, on the lower time frame, that next candle, okay, pushing back up a little bit. Let's see, but I don't know. Oof, woo, man, that might. It almost took me out. It didn't, but I'm definitely this look like this it for me, cuz quick two two quick pops. Okay, push up, but it keep pushing up, and then it reject hard after that push up. Okay, that's what we want to see. All right, That's what we want to see. All right. Oof. Oof. Man. Yeah, this is not the business. Mm. Yeah. Whew. Yeah. Mm. Keep keep playing with me. I don't know why I want to tease me like this. You like, bro, just take me out. If you gonna take me out, take me out. Woo! Every time it push up, that's it, man. I'm done.
Dang, that was quick.
Yeah, that was quick, man. Woo! I can't. Yeah, I yeah, that. Woo! Yeah, that was tough. That was tough. Tough sledding there, man. I looking at ES, definitely was a better play. I had a trade on NQ. It almost came down to it, but it didn't. Go, man. Woo! Go kick my tail today. Kick my tail. Sweet. You gonna, mm, looking at that NQ trade. It's like I'm like, oh, I had my entry right here, and you see, I almost came close, and now it's over 100 points. Oh, messing with gold. Gold was gold was definitely the higher mover, so to speak, which is why I took the trade. But I literally just got ran over twice. I level. It's like, all right, let it come to the next level then. Take it. I ain't letting it. It's just at another level. Yeah, I'm good now. I can't mess with it. It be like that sometimes. Yeah, sheesh. Come down here. See, watch it. See what it does. Could possibly be the better trade. Yeah. But it'll like reject like a point, maybe a point and a half. So it's like I can't take points and a half. You know what I'm saying?
Right,
Like
right.
that's especially when you risking 3-4 points and you like, ooh. I mean, even though you see like, it look like it's gonna steamroll, but it's like, man, like that's still, ugh. So quick day. Hey man, that's how it be sometimes. And then sometimes, I mean, it'd be like this for me on the flip side, where it's a super quick day. Where, took two trades and it's like we had a profit goal for the day. So go ahead and end that. But yeah,
Yeah, I'm just
that
all
level
right.
might have been a better look like that level might have been the better play.
All
Mm.
right. Yeah, I'm not even looking yet until I have my chart set up. I didn't set it up.
Oh, you ain't set up?
Nah, so I'm not even looking at where it's at until I get my chart set up.
Yeah.
So I don't be biased. I just want to mark my levels real quick. Uh,
This something.
all right, so that's that.
I wonder if I had too tight of a stop. Just looking at it, because it's now pushing back above. Just seeing what it does.
Let's see what it did overnight. So you were able to get your account?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So now let's see.
Let you set that up. Yeah, it's trying to push up now, past that level. Go to sim. Yeah, nice. It's trying to push back up. Looking at this gold trade. Still wouldn't.
Order submitted.
There's some trades and sim. Talk about, I guess. Stay calm. Yeah, it's. Yeah, that was. Woo! That was a big drop. I almost went up to the highs. Didn't quite make it. Nice. Was trying to push back above that level. Oh man. Yeah.
Oh wow, I see it wicked up there. Okay. The overnight
Nice.
high. I see. Did something funny there. See, coordinates. Okay. 34, 13.
Nice. Nice pushing up. Nice pushing up. That's crazy. Maybe not having a let's see. That mm, maybe stop was a little too tight. Yeah, but it's still playing in that area, so it's not a definitely look like the place where it wants to turn and start, moving to the upside. But at the same time, who knows? Risk adverse. You got it set up yet?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I wanted to put the overnight high and lows and where it opened up just to reference. Okay, yeah, I'm good.
It's I don't know. Just trying to also look at it to see, like, maybe I'm not doing it. You know what I mean? It it got me, But just kind of looking to see, maybe me trying to be a little tight on my stops, kind of hurt me in that trade. It's just kind of playing around at the moment in that little area. Playing around. I'm looking at the 5 minute. Let me see on the 5 minute. Just trying to push up.
Okay, we good. Where my zone's at, we just in the middle of everything right now. So levels are.
Mm-hmm. Point control here. Right here, 5 minute. That's what you looking. Take profit first.
Okay. All right.
But yeah, I don't know. As I said, might have had two. Um, might have had too tight of a stop on it, huh?
I say you think you had too tight of a stop?
I think so, but I mean, also starting over in an account, you kind of tend to do that, and yeah, I should have. Yeah. I mean, I was, at the gate, I'm looking for a 5-to-1 type trade. You know what I'm saying? Giving up a couple points, looking for, giving up 2 points, looking for a 10-point swing. You know, looking from here to bring back above 80 to get in this area. Um, so I was, looking for bigger, a little bit bigger, because looking at the 15 minute, right, this 80 is where earlier overnight it was, kind of rejected until we got the pull back. But so I really thought initially we would come in here, we would pull back in here, and then get the reversal back up. But that kept coming, and so of course, got stopped out there, and then came down here and tightened my stop even more, and it got stopped out again. That's on the 15. Let's see the 5 minute. So you expect some pressure here, but I still think it'll get in here. Then get some more, we'll see. It's only 5 minutes. Look at the good old 30. It's like it just kind of thin, light, shoot down, and shoot back up. Yeah.
All right, so what I'm looking at, so my levels, what I got, now to your point, I am thinking about everything that went down over the weekend, but previous day, so I'm still going off of the previous day high, which is 3405. 3405, which if it start going up there, I'll short the value area high of 3403. So it's kind of that 3403, 3405. I'll short anywhere in that range. Of course, I'll look at my confirmations before I take it. And then in my setup, the previous day low is 3356. If it get down there, which we'll see, but I'll definitely go long for sure.
Okay.
3384 is the POC, previous day POC.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll need to look at the cam. I need to look and see which direction I would want to go. If it hit that 3384 level. But right now, it's looking like it want to drop. Yeah, and the previous POC is 33. What I got 3384, and the current POC is what? I mean, they right there in there, kind of like right there.
That's right on top of it. And
yeah, so that's kind of a strong area.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. This is definitely a strong area. See what the got in 4 minutes. What happened? see what it do there. But yeah, it's it's a tight little area for gold. Let's see what it do. All right, let's see. Yeah. Yeah, it's pushing up heavy. It's pushing up pretty heavy here. Back into that 60-30 range. You want to. NQ. What is it doing? Yeah, it's pushing back up into that 21,900 range. Yeah, these were definitely the better plays. Trying to catch those bounces on gold. Gold going down again. The high. Oh, the overnight high. Oh, it's scaled all the way up here.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't even realize this little thin little area. Okay. Ooh.
It went up there.
34, 13.
Mm-hmm.
Clearly it's thin. It's just a wick. Um, okay. Less than 2 minutes. Let's see. I haven't said anything about oil yet. And oil got me nervous too. Just it might be irky jerky too. Just you know what I'm saying? Just for what's going on. Ooh, this short would have been nice, huh? Been a nice short.
And you know what's funny? Me just looking now that I got my level set up. Let me see. What time was that? Cuz jumped in there quick. So I'm looking. Yeah, cuz like it was approaching the overnight open. Where it wicked that green long candle in gold. It was actually trending. It was going up to the overnight open, which is not far off from the previous day value area high, and it wicked down. It went back up on that next shorter green candle, and then it came all the way down. But the reason I'm talking about all this is from what I see, I would have went short.
Yeah, I would have shorted.
I would have went short when it started coming up there.
Up here for sure.
But you rolled it up, and did it fake you out or what?
Well, so I looked for it. So I just watched it come down, and so I was like, okay, all right. And I'm looking, and I'm like, okay, this this area, not here. Like this area should be cool, and I took it, um, and I was like, ooh, and took heat, and then I was looking in here, and I'm like, all right, I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna go long. This wick right here is what eventually took me out. But otherwise, I mean, I probably would have still been in the trade.
Oh, you got caught with a wick.
Yeah. I mean, I had a tight stop on it, so you know what I mean. I got in here and literally like it took me out. Like it barely took me out. That's why I'm like, man, it's playing. And yeah, wick took me out, whatever. And then now you see it's pushing back up. It's like, dang, you know what I mean? Like, I mean, kind of is what it is, right? But
right.
tight stop, and that's why I was watching it, because I'm like, I still think, I still think it's a solid long, but I mean, I got stopped out. So but yeah, I still think it's a solid long, and I personally think we're gonna get up to at least testing the 3384 area. That's my little projection. Um, we'll see, and could possibly push further, but that's why I say it was me trying to get a very nice size trade, risk versus reward.
Yeah.
So we'll see what happens, but it seemed like it's trying to hold and push to the upside. So, but yeah. So now, kind of like what you saying, it would be me looking for this, as it continues, see if it pushes up. But, because we get up in here, and if we start holding here, I would be looking at a short. In this area, I will be looking at a short.
Which area?
The 3384 area. That's when I would be looking for this to push up, which, I mean, of course, is yesterday's or Friday's, point control.
Right.
And I'll be looking for it to push up and check that area. And then if we're holding there, I would turn around and take a short there to see if we start to continue to the downside, which I ultimately think we do. But I don't know. It could have just been realistically, looking at it, could have been a rush job by me, rushing the process, seeing something and not really waiting for the confirmation that it's ready to turn, which is what I should have done. I should have let it do its thing and then saw that, okay, I should have let it just whip down. And then once it came back up and started showing the hole, then I could have got in, and that would have made more sense. But yeah. All right, they starting to chill out a little bit now. And Q is yeah.
All right, let's see. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it's pushing up. It's consistently pushing up.
Yeah, over the weekend I was trying to understand the difference in the time frames, uh, and so it helped clarify the difference between the 30 minute and the 15 minute. So I'm also start kind of going down to the 15 minute because basically we're just breaking it down, say that it can help you crystallize your entry.
Oh yeah, like so from I don't really look at like 15 minutes on ES or NQ, but on gold and oil, I'll definitely look at the 15 minute on those too.
Yeah.
And see. Cause that's just like now, like that's why I say like uh it's having that hard time with this 3380 area and maybe on the 15 minute it might look, a little bit cleaner here of showing you like what's going on as far as the candlestick. So as you can see,
Hmm.
it's continuously to reject in this area. That's twice. It hadn't pushed through it. So want to see if it holds. Um, Finally pushes through. Point of control. You want it to hold above the point of control. Possibly keep pushing. But like I said, this area is giving it a little bit of blowback here. Like I said, we on the 15. But like I said, I still think it's going. I personally think it's going to go on and break through it. But
To the upside.
yeah, I do. I do. Like I said, I would be more looking for, like I said, to push up in here, and that's where I would have ultimately been looking to take profit. That's why I say, man, I rushed the job, and I think because personally, I saw a bigger trade opportunity, and so seeing a bigger trade opportunity, I kind of rushed it a little bit, and maybe didn't put my risk reward to the extent that probably should have put it, but
Let me set my alarms.
see, okay, we're getting into it. It's gonna push through. And then it's cause like the looking at, like I said, up here, because then you start to look at the point of control of the previous day. But like I said, you gotta push, go on and push through this little area. See if it gonna push through. Then be like, all right, cool. It's there you go with the initial push above. Mm. So see, that's sometimes you rush the job, man. You rush the job. Okay, pushing, breaking back down a little bit.
All right, we set. Okay, got my alerts set.
See it? Oh man.
Like, yeah, like high probable trades for me, definitely in that 3400 to 3403, kind of like that range. Definitely shorten that, and then the 3356 to 3361 ish, like kind of in that range. I'll see.
Okay.
Definitely going long. So those are like A plus.
I'm in a Sim NQ trade here of coming down to this area here, which is the POC. Looking here, looking for a nice little push to the upside. Let's see. Push above and trying to get up in this area. A nice little bump. All right. Man, you see it go.
Yeah, it's shooting up.
That's crazy.
Yeah, ain't nothing I can do around this area yet.
I mean, I would have been long, so shooting up.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Came right up there. Just, was looking for a nice 20 pointer.
We got a touch
On NQ, huh?
Oh, you grabbed some on NQ?
Yeah, that's what I have here. So right here, you got yesterday's point of control, and was just looking for the 20-point bounce up in here, and boom, got it. That was it. 20 points. Well, I won't say that's it. 20 points, but you get what I'm saying. But yeah, this gold. So now all right. So let's go back to gold.
It got a tap. It tapped, but then is it?
Yeah, we right here. So that's what I said, man. Like I want to see what we do right in here, and so let's go to. I'm already on the 15 minutes, so put it on the 15 minutes so we can see what happens on the next candle. If it's showing like resistance here, or if it wants to kind of go in and push through this level, and that's what I would have been watching to possibly start to look at a short here, but. So here we go. Next candle showing a little strength. Let's see. Pushing back down. Let's see. Will it push back down? Or will it continue to the upside? It's going to fight. It's going to fight. It's going to fight. I think it's going to fight a little bit. See what it do. It's the 15 minute. See what it do. Fight a little bit. Pushing back up. We're not on the 30. We're on the 15 right now. You see the toe tap initially right there. But it's still holding. It's still holding like strength to the upside. So That's why I wouldn't be like, we short. Like, nah, it's still pushing up to the upside. Man. Oh boy, boy, boy. All right. So now it's coming in here. Let's see what it do there. Good old rush job, cuz. Still holding strength. Because this is, I think this little area be telling too. You know, breaking down below this area. Let's look at even go further. Let's look at the 5 minute. So 5 minute, okay. It's showing it wanna break below this area on the 5 minute. But it's gonna be key right here. Let's see what it do.
Okay.
You see it just like it's rejecting up here is saying, I don't know if I want to go. I don't know if I want to go below. Let's see. Let's go back to the 15. Push up. Yeah, that. And see, that's when you can play with it a little bit when you get in along, and that's what I was looking for. I was like, oof, we're looking at a 5-1 here, and I could have easily made the trade a 3-1, and leverage more, and been in the trade still. But
Oh, you're saying you got greedy?
Yeah, I was, funded account. You trying to come out the gate smoking, and I was trying to come out the gate smoking hot, and didn't. Okay, so that's the level. Touched it, went over. Ooh, that thing rejected a little hard. See what it do. Still gotta break below. You got support here that has been shown to keep it pushing to the upside. So you're gonna have a battle between these two levels, these two areas to see what they want to do. So do we want to now start pushing to the downside? I don't know. I don't know if it's ready to go down yet. We'll see. I think it might. I think if it rejects off of the area again, then I think it might want to test lower. Let's see. Put my phone on the charger. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, we got 10 minutes to the.
Okay, it's trying to push down.
Which chart you? You on the 15?
Yeah, I got it on 15. Look at that. Actually, look at NQ. NQ said it wanted to push up a little more. Come back up to the point of control. So I just was like, I saw where we, had that resistance in here. So I was like, I'm good. But it pushed back up. Now it's coming back down.
Let me check the volume. Where we at on the volume?
For what? Gold?
Yeah, on the 15, because where it's at. It's on the 15-minute chart. Shoot, the way my setup is, depending on what this next candle is, it might be.
It's looking here.
I got 2 taps. You don't have to be perfect taps. I mean, it's right there. Well, 1, and then it's 1. It looked like it's touching it. The previous day point of control. Will it close under? That's what I'm curious about.
It's holding. It's holding above this area. You say we got 8 minutes to the open.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna use the restroom.
So with the business it's steady pushing, it's starting to push back up again. Man. Seven minutes. It's holding. Let's see. It's holding this area, gold. It's holding. Okay. Push down. It keep trying. It come down there every time, man. It's been rejecting every single time. It get all the way, it get back down. On the 15. We kind of in a tight spot, man.
See, I'm just looking real quick. Okay, I'll be right back.
Right. If you ain't already in it, kind of in a tight spot. In a tight spot. Pushing down again. On the road again. We trading gold and on the road again. Boom, boom, boom. Hey, man. What we doing? And keep on push up. All right, we got a couple minutes still. Really just waiting for the open, honestly.
Yep.
For the open at this point. 5 minutes from it. Okay. Steady. It's trying. Keep trying to push up. Keep trying to hold above that area. But keep rejecting.
Sound like it might be setting up for a good short, huh?
Hey, man. It might. We'll see.
That's what I'm going for. If it retests.
Might get left behind. It's one of them, man. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you feel like, oh, man, you got 5 minutes, bro. By the time this 5 minute, you get to it, it's already at 33.78. You know what I'm saying? You already dropped 4 points. Like, God, hold on, man. Like I said, I mean, which it did. I mean, it's holding resistance here. So, it's starting. It's trying to look like you want to take a short, but you're so close to the open. Like you know what I'm saying? Like I wouldn't want to play with the open like that when it could, because it could be one of them plays too where you short, push up right here, and then come on down. Like, and it, depends on how tight you got your stop going. But, oh, I mean, if it hold, I mean, it would definitely be a nice area to short, for sure. But better play is when you was already hit down here, looking for the push up above and looking for it to break back above and hold. But I don't know. I don't know about it, man. I don't know about it. We shall see. It keep rejecting, but every time it reject, it's been pushing right back up every single time. What is it gonna do? What is it gonna do? Go. Look like it's either gonna push up hard or reject hard. Because if it hold down to the downside, I feel like we definitely going back to this area. Definitely going back here for sure. And it could start to shoot back down to test this level on the downside. Where we at? Just about 2 minutes. What you got? What you got? If it ain't about the money. What? Oh, I was looking. I'll probably come on in Thursday.
You talking about when? For
what's that? The second? Thursday is the second.
Yeah, that's my birthday.
Yeah, I'll probably come in on the second.
Okay.
Yeah, come on in on the second. And stay to Sunday.
Okay. Well, if that's the case, then yeah. I get some Thursday night. Thursday. Well, the check-in is like 3 or something, probably.
Yeah. Okay, here you go.
All right.
Retesting this area again.
It's gonna tell me the telltale.
You got
I'm on a 15 too, so
yeah, I got it on the 15 on this chart.
Don't you do it.
It looked like it's trying to push up. It's trying to break above.
All right.
Up. It's breaking up. It's breaking to the upside. It's breaking to the upside.
You went long up top?
What I got going on in here? It's look like ES.
I can't do nothing with that, bro.
Cuz it's gone on you? You didn't get it?
Nah. I was playing the short the whole time, and I had the two. I got my confirmations now, so it's like two taps. If it went to the downside, I would have shorted that bad boy. Cause it's gonna wick down. It's gonna wick down. It's gonna.
You hoping that it come back? Don't leave.
Yeah, it's gonna come back. Cause the other reason why I was looking, so I was looking for a short, but then I don't use it because it's a lagging indicator, but it just gives me a gauge of like I guess the momentum, and so I'm looking at the RSI, and it's showing that it was gonna keep going up. So I was like, I don't want to get, and that wasn't my thesis. I was looking to go short, not long. So I was like,
Gotcha.
Yep. Let me just be patient. But it is going towards my next level. And that'd be even better. Because I would be playing a short. A lot can happen from now until the next 11 minutes.
Man, let's take a look at that. Ooh, cuz, why you ain't tell me to go and take that thing? Man, out there cutting the grass.
Okay, it's always like that. I was listening to somebody, cuz they had got all the way through their video and they was getting ready to close, and then the fire truck came and they was like, I am not editing that. I bust out laughing when I was listening to it. Like,
that's what it said?
Yeah, they was like, I am not editing that. Love y'all though. I ain't editing that. That was funny. All right, okay. Ooh, that bad boy is shooting up.
Order submitted.
Uh-oh, I hear the squad. Ooh, that thing is filled with momentum. All right.
filled. Order filled. Order canceled. Order canceled.
Well, gosh.
Mm-hmm.
Cuz, why you do me like cuz? I don't even want to look no more, cuz. I quit, cuz. Oh man, cuz when you call it, bro, all right, why was I being so stingy, bro? Cuz, first off, cuz, all right, let's talk about it too. It ain't cuz. So I went in minis. I mean, micros, right?
Yeah.
Cuz I used 10 contracts, which is the equivalent to one mini contract, right?
Yeah.
Cuz it's $10 a tick, bro. $10. So, cuz I'm greedy. I only want to leverage $300, cuz. I'm greedy. I'm leveraging $300. Cuz I'm like, well, buddy, it's going. Worst case scenario, it's going up here. We
You could have
testing
rolled
here.
that whole thing up.
Ooh, I'll be looking short now. Like,
Yeah,
I
if
feel
it's
like
it like it's losing momentum.
it got that level. It definitely toe tapped that level, right? It definitely toe tapped it for sure, right? Um, it definitely toe tapped that level, cuz. But so yeah, cuz. So I'm like, okay, we looking here, but if we can break above here, we can keep pushing. We got a lot of real estate in this area, which we did. Now we done came up to this level. Uh, I'll be looking to short, cuz. Short that thing, cut.
Ain't not in the middle of nowhere. I'm not.
Let me see. Hold up.
Order submitted.
Let me see. Cut on one short. I'm shorting for him. I'm short. See what happens. I'm short.
You went short.
I mean, I'm in sim. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm short. I'm in sim. And I mean, it like literally this would fit my plan. I would short here. I would. So I was short here.
What level you looking at?
33.92.
Okay.
0.9 is where I'm in. I was shorted, and it's a previous day, so I was shorted, and I'll be looking. I needed to bring back 33.90, but this is literally like the area. Remember that I was looking to short and previously, so let's see if we can get a little rejection. If not, you know what I'm saying, we could take it up. This is like a previous level for me though.
Yeah. I say I don't have that on my chart, so I'm like,
yeah, it's a previous level for me. Yeah. I mean, I could go to. Let's see. Woo! Woo! But you saw how that thing started pushing up more. Okay, so
yeah, it's coming.
I know you are probably more in that area, especially around the 3,400.
Come on up there.
Yeah, I know you probably looking more up there.
Yeah.
But this is me. So what I'm going to do okay, so 33.99 3 is where I got my stop. So I could put it a little lower, but I'm gonna put it a little bit lower. And it could just be one of them days for gold for me, right? Like NQ, ES, kill, you know, killing them trades, and then gold. What? Even this would be 0 for 3. 0 for 3. Which is why you have your what you call it?
I don't know what happened with my camera.
Your rules and your stops and everything else, because sometimes what you're seeing is just not it. And right now we're taking a little heat on this. It ain't too bad. I mean, you know, it ain't over 2 points or nothing, but it is some heat. It is some heat. And then, you know, we got a couple minutes to the next candle. See what it does. We good. We good.
Hey, it's gonna take me out because for some reason my camera blacked out. That's weird.
Okay, so you're gonna need me to bring you back in.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop it, and it's gonna automatically kick me out.
Okay.
Huh. That's weird. Wonder if I can. See some of that.
Boy. Now we starting to take a little heat. now we starting to take a little heat.
Oh yeah.
But also it's starting to reject. Which ultimately, see this could have been the better level, better area level to get in.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't wait. So we taking a little bit of heat now. All right, let's see what happened here. Ooh. Oh, I'm out. I'm out now. You saw that slippage though. That thing literally went to 3,400. See what I'm saying, man? That's that tough thing, man. Like it literally toe tapped 3,400, and but wow.
It's still pushing up.
It's still pushing up. Yeah, that's just not.
That's a long.
All right, see, it's you got this level at 3,400.
Yeah, it's hitting the overnight, the open right now. Well,
wow.
it went darker.
See how quick it is? See that? Yeah. See, this is also part of the not reason, but why? Like I just sometimes will sit the trade there. Look at that. Look at that. And then nice little rejection off 3,400. Nice. Ooh. Bruh. Hey man. It's fighting. But ultimately clean rejection. Let's see what happens. Is it gonna try to push back up to the 3,400 area? It's fighting. If you break this 3,400 area and hold, might get left behind though. I go long. If it can hold on the lower time frame. If we can hold above 3,400 and not get left, I would look at going long. But for me, the short still look sweet. The short looks sweet to me. Sweetness. Sweetie, sweetie, sweetie pie. And I'll be looking for that 33.92 area down there. That would definitely look sweet to me. But I also would be looking down as we talk, man. It's it's going right there. Woo. Man, you see that?
Mm-hmm.
That thing swinging, swing. Swing, swing, swing. Mm. Got close. Mm. Got the 33.94. Let's I'm gonna put it on the 5 minute real quick. Just see what the 5 minutes saying. Okay. 5 minutes say we battling. That's what the 5 minutes say. 5 minutes say we battling. For me, like I said, man, unless we get a pullback here, I would probably be looking for that. I would even play the long there. I played along there. If we can break here, I would go long and hold. Not like a fake out breakout, but if we can break here and hold, going into the next 5 minute candle, I would play it. I play it for sure. I put it on. Get a nice little pullback. Let me see. All right. And that's I'm just looking at the other stuff too. Like, cause I could have, I had, it's cause it's in Sim, man. Bro, look, hold up, while we waiting on that, look at this. Look at this. So I went long here. I went long here. And it hit my take profit. So went long here, this level. ES pretty much the same thing. I had went long here. And no, my bad. I actually went long here. What is the 5 minute? Oh no, I'm lying. I'm lying on both of these. I'm like, this don't look like where I went. I'm on a 5 minute. That's why. I'm like, no, it was longer than that. And so NQ, when it came all the way down here, broke up. And so yeah, I did. I went long here. And hit my take profit. And then here, I went long here, break up here. Yeah, I was like, it was a way bigger move. And because it took me out here. So, it is what it is. GC, where you at, baby? Baby, let me see. Holla at your boy. Let me see. Will we be shorting or will we be taking a loan? Will we be shorting or will we be taking a loan? All right, let's see. Let's see. I'm going to take a loan to break out. This isn't something I always do, but I'm going to do it today.
Would you try something?
Yeah. Try to break out of the highs. I don't really do it. I don't typically, the better play would be back to go is if we can get a pullback down here and then getting long. That would be the better play.
Yeah.
But also I would hold up. All right. Make sure I was in Sim. Make sure I'm in Sim. But that would be the better play. But I'm not sure. So if we're gonna get back down there. So here we go. Let's see. I'm long. Let's see. Will it be a fake out breakout, or will we continue to the upside? Can we break out here and then looking for this next level? Can we do it? We'll see. I think we will. I think there's a very great chance that we'll keep pushing this thing to the upside. Then look at here. You got last Thursday point of control up here. It's pushing up too. Oh, man. Ooh. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh, cut. That thing pushing up.
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. See, can we get to this level here? See what happens. I have a wow. Didn't you see that rejection? I have a level at 3407 area. I'm going to be looking. I'm going to look for that. That's what I'm gonna look for. I'm gonna try to hold. Let's see if we get that push up. We already broke it. Like I said, is it gonna be a breakout, fake out, or which it possibly could be that breakout, fake out, and now starting to reject. Let's see. We shall see. Come on, push on up. Push on up. Mm-hmm. Oh, you trying to reject them? There you go. Okay. Wow. Look how far away we are from where. Oh man. Ooh. Good push. Good push. Good push. Keep it pushing. Keep it pushing.
Oh, you say you was looking at 3413 too?
3407 first. So that's what I'm holding for that area. 3407.
Yeah.
Get a push to the upside. 3407, and then looking there, because then I have kind of I have 3413 is the next area after that. So I'm trying to hold. We've broken up. And so I'm just trying to see if we can continue to push to the upside. I mean, it seems like it wants to continue to push. It's starting to take a little heat, pushed up here. We'll see if we can come back up in here. Get me up in there. Bah, 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 bah. I mean, this is one. So for me anyways, like I said, I would stop, around this 36 area. So having a nicer
Order
little
submitted.
stop and seeing what it do. It's definitely market is definitely slowing down. Let's see what it do. Let me see what NQ doing. NQ, jeez, Louise. So crazy thing is, right? Um, I had a long, but it was here. So of course, I didn't get filled on NQ. I had a little longer going off the touch of this area. So yeah, 50. Yeah, it was 2170, 750.
Yeah.
But of course, it didn't come all the way down there. Whatever. But as you see, it just kind of toe tapped it. But once it broke back above here, is where I was like, all right, I'm gonna go long. And blah blah blah. Gold pushing up. That's not gold. Sorry. Um, Gold is pushing up, up, up. Hey, where my lines go? Hold up, man. Am I tripping? Okay. I'm like, where my lines go? Um, so we still holding. We still holding. That's why I say like we broke above. I feel comfortable that we may want to continue to the upside. We'll see. Like I said, I'm looking for the bigger play, bigger move out there. That just wasn't to up here. Wasn't enough. Looking to get up in here. We got 2 minutes to 10, so something might also shake out in that area. Nah. You want to reject now? Now y'all want to reject?
That's what it's looking like.
All good. Like I said, I got a little bigger of a stop.
Oh yeah.
Whew.
Keep doing that.
We got a minute, less than a minute,
Mm-hmm.
to see what it do. Do we want to reject out that
Don't you
34?
don't you leave.
Mm-mm. Uh-oh, it's gonna leave. It's gonna leave.
Don't go nowhere.
Nah. Hold up. You got 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. All right, what the next candle gonna look like? Push down. Uh, uh. Oh man, that's fighting, ain't it?
It is.
It's fighting. I told you, I'm still. I made it. I got a bigger stop here. I'm still long.
Ooh.
Boy, I'm
Wow.
still. Oof, oof. That long was looking sweet for a second. Jeez, I went from looking like it's gonna go up to get mess around, getting close to getting taken out. Let me see what it do. Mm. Whew. We close. We close from getting taken out. We got close. Yeah, got close. Yeah, I don't know. Uh-huh. Yeah, it's playing around.
It is.
Let's see what you gonna do. Yeah, this thing here playing. Yeah, we might get took. We about to get taken out. It's fighting on this 5 minute, 15. I'm back on the 30. Look at this 15 minute.
Yeah.
Let me see. Yeah, it's trying. It's trying to. Like I said, I put a bigger stop. But we got to get back up here, and it don't look like it want to get nowhere back up there. Look like the short was the move. It's not. It's. As soon as it break back up, back over 33.98, it start rejecting every single time. Start getting back up. Okay. Ooh, good. Ooh, strong pushback. Ooh, strong pushback up, huh? I don't know. I ain't gonna say nothing, because what I want to say goes against my own trade. So I was about to say, realistically, I probably, when it pushed back up there, I would have shorted. I would have got in short when it went back up to test that 3,400 and rejected. Yeah. I would be short right now to this 33.92 area. Yeah, it just took that out, and I'm long. Wow, man. I should have.
Yeah.
Should have listened to myself. Ooh. Man.
It's pushing hard, too. Wow.
Hard. Hey, man. This is why it's good I stop. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? I'm not seeing it. Or well, I'm not taking the trades anyways. That's it's like your mind is flustered, and then you watching and you like, yo, I would be short. I'll be short. And then I'm sitting there looking like I am on the wrong side of this. I should be short. Once it rejected that last time, I'm like, I would be short. Did you catch it?
Nah, I missed it.
Yeah, that thing rejected hard.
Yep, I missed it.
Okay.
Well.
See what happens. Will it come back to this 33.84 area? Oof, it's coming hard too. Ooh.
All right.
Let's see.
Is that the previous? The point? Oh.
Here we go. Let me see. Oh man. You get left here. Push up. Yo, that's crazy. Push up. Wow.
Oh, it wicked hard.
That's what I'm saying. Look at that 15-minute. Push back up. Push back up. Bing, 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 bing. Mm-hmm. Okay. So now we got a zone. We set up. It kind of came here too quick to catch. So I'm trying to see if we can get back in here. Here. You be patient. Be patient. You be patient.
Yeah, I sat there and I got caught. Cause I'm supposed to be in the game. I'm sitting there watching it, and I watched it go right on down and didn't click nobody button. Sheesh. Dang. It went right to my level. Damn.
Okay. So I took it here as and I did that looking at the 5 minute, how it held here, pushed up, and I was like, all right, let me try it. See if we can get on back up here. We shall see, right? We shall see. That's me not wanting to get left behind, I guess. See, I said be patient. we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. I see you. Pushing on up. Oof. What? 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 Don't do that. Mm. See what happened. Get the push up. Or not. Whew. NQES going to the moon. And I'm over here getting whipped by gold. Absolutely whipped. Come on. There you go. Stop playing with me. There we go. Push up. Whew. Hey man, this is why you can't be doubling down on a product. And this is why you got rules. You have rules in place. Because clearly, I'm not seeing gold. Well, I'm seeing it, but I can't get right on it today. And honestly, man, you just had that sometimes. Okay, now we pushing up. But sometimes you just had them days, man, and you just struggling. And so far for me, that okay, go. You doing what we supposed to be doing now? We doing what we doing what we supposed to be doing now. Okay. With the push-ups. Come on. Hey. There you go. Let's go back to 3,400. Let's go back to 3,400. I think that's where we going. We pushing up. We're gonna let it marinate. But yeah, so back to what I'm saying, man. Sometimes you get so caught up in it's all about like how people struggle and fail in trading is because you want to be right. And so, but what comes with wanting to be right is you keep doubling down on your errors. Like today, right? I'm literally down $400. That's it. I'm down $400 for the day. And I stopped. Now we in sim. And I'm continuing to trade, which we see. I took the the ES and NQ trade, big winners. I'm over here mad looking at my sim account. You feel me? Like, what was I doing? And then, but also now I'm looking at this trade and I'm like, this trade literally makes up for my mistakes. If, we definitely, if we go to winner, go to, the goal. So right now, of course, we're winning, but then look at that rejection. What are we doing? But yeah, so it's like, all right, but tomorrow's another day, right? Which we know I can make, 1,500, $2,000 in a day. So it's like, okay, boom. Now you have a good day tomorrow. And you back up. You know what I'm saying? You in the positive. So it is what it is. And it be like that. But you gotta know, like, you know what, man, you have rules and you set these rules and you stick by those rules, because that's what's gonna be key in golden. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter that in sim I'm killing it. But also we have to think about in sim what had to happen though. Like, one, I had to take the NQ ES trade, wasn't guaranteed. And then I took another gold trade, right? Lost that, boy. Lost that. So that would have been three gold trades in a row, that I lost before hitting a winner. And then, this one seems to be going, in the direction. We'll see. It's starting to get held up in this area. I thought if once it broke the 92 area, we would definitely go on and start pushing up strong. But as of now, we not. But anyways, you gotta that's the reason why you have rules. Rules keep you honest. Rules keep you in the game for the longevity. Maybe not in the game for the day, but rules keep you in the game for the longevity. And that's what it's about, right? Being able to say, okay, I took my losses, I took my bumps today, and then come back tomorrow, clean slate, you forgot what happened, and kill it. I've done it multiple times, even when I was doing the eval account, right? Stopped out, down 1,200 for the day. Is like, all right, okay, well, I'm done. But then guess what? The next day, up 1,800. You know what I'm saying? Like, and then the next day, up 1,400. And the next day, and the next day, where in the evaluation process, that was my only down day. But I had rules. I stopped, and you live to see tomorrow. And we'll see this trade. I personally think we're finna go back to the 3,400 range, and I'm trying to see. So I would scale out once we start getting in here, and then just kind of go to break even and see what happens. That's where my mindset is. We'll see. Just letting it do its thing. Did you get in?
Not right now.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not at my level.
Okay.
My level is either 3,384 or 3,400 to 3,034, kind of that range, that zone.
Okay.
So either or. Right now, we're kind of in the middle of that.
Okay.
I just missed the last one,
so I'm in it at 3,390.7, and so I was right here, because once that push up and we come back here and then we hold, I'm like, all right, I'm in. That I was really it happened so quick. I wanted to get here. I wanted to get in down here, but that push down just was so quick and I couldn't. Then it started pushing back up. And so I was like, let me wait till the next candle. And then, from there, I'll find me a nice little entry. And then once we held here, pushed up, I was like, all right, I'm in. And those are those, like, you just got to hit the button. And so, like I said, man, I'm looking, once we get up here, then I'll be looking at going scaling some, taking a little piece off the table here. See what we do there. Yes, sir. Mm-hmm.
Ooh,
Woo! Where we at? Mm-hmm.
I'm looking at the 30-minute.
30-minute now?
Yeah.
Hey, man, that thing waking up, boy. We trying to go back now to test the top of the 30-minute. All right, so what I'm about to do, Let's see. I'm about to. Oops. Sell. Up here, we already, you know, well now over 5 points. So boom, we having a tough time in this area. Let's see. There we go. Pushing up, pushing, pushing.
I've been drinking water. I'll be right back.
Yes, sir. Keep my water right here, baby. Okay. Pushing up. Man. Okay. Yes, sir. Seeing if it push up. It's struggling, man. But it's up here. Will it start to break up to the upside? It's trying. Like I said, I'm looking for it to test that area. We'll see. It's it's getting tough. Getting tough.
All right. Well, okay. All right. It's still in the
Yeah,
area.
we still trying to push up, man.
I got 5
What
minutes.
I was saying is I might look to scale out a little bit. I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna see. You know, it's getting a little pushback. I'm looking for the bigger move. So I'm looking for it to, you know, of course, to test the 3,400 area. That would be ideal. Test the 3,400 as we start getting in there, looking to, you know, get off a piece of it, lock in some profits. Let's see what happens here. Continuously pushing up. Then, you know, from there we would just let that thing do what it do, baby. Do what it do. Woo! Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, airtime. Okay, let's see what 5 minutes say. What the 5 minutes say. 5 minutes say we want to push down. A little bit in this area. Like I said, we're going to see what it do. See what it do. See if we can go on and, like I said, start to push to test this 3,400. Can we push back into that range of the 3,400? Okay. There we go. Pushing back up. Man. Okay. There we go.
Oh, wow. Okay.
But it's struggling.
It's
struggling in this area. There you go. There we go. Man. Whew, it's struggling. Was that the rejection?
Right.
Might be. What was that? I mean, it's close to the level, so.
Ooh.
Ooh wee.
Oh, man. It's gone. Dang, man, that's crazy.
Whew. Still holding. See what it do at 10:30. See what it do at 10:30.
Oh, it don't like it's coming back.
In there. Let's see. See. Less than 2 minutes. Let's see what happens here. Let's see. We struggling up here. Do we not want to go to the upside on gold anymore? Let's see. Let's see. Are we overextended? Because that wick is crazy. Let's look at the 15s. Let's see. 15s. Thirty seconds. 30. 10:30. Okay. Ten, 9, it's okay. Okay, so gonna push down now.
That didn't tell me anything.
Coming back. Coming back. Push up. Okay. Okay. Oof.
I was pushing up.
I mean, it was. Then he'll, push up. Then he'll reject a little bit. Start back pushing up. Reject a little bit. We might be, we getting into that slow down period now.
Yeah.
That's what it seemed like. I'm still on. It's up nicely, but I'm up, over 4 points. But I should have took some out of here, but I didn't. I was, I guess, trying to see if we was gonna get a little closer up here, but we'll see. See what it do. See if it come on back up. take a little piece. Don't stop. Go ahead. You know you want to go on up there. You know you want to go on up there.
Yep.
There we go.
Yep, my alert just went off. Pay attention. All right.
There we go. We just watching it. I mean, you know, I'm in it. I'm in it already, so I'm already long. It's hell. So, like I said, I'm looking for that area.
So one of the things that I did was I took all the levels off my chart. So when I came in today, I would just be looking at previous day stuff, but that messed me up because last week when I had them other levels marked, I'm like, oh, that's previous day from such and such, you know, POC from such and such.
Mm-hmm.
So even if it was like
even
if it was like in between the like my 3 key levels, those are like secondary levels that I can kind of pay attention to. So like if it's in that in between space and it's kind of like, okay, it hit that level, it touched that level, I'm going short. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? Versus but they weren't on my chart. Kind of like, and I probably when you like, cause I'm like, that ain't on my chart. You like, oh, it was a previous level. I probably had that level too, but I took a lot of stuff off my chart.
So yeah, okay. Yeah, we long. I mean, we coming back. Let's see, we keep struggling up here, man. We keep struggling. So you like, ugh. Trying to see what we can do.
Go want to give me some today because it's like, hey, I'm coming to your level again. What you want to do?
All right, so we taking risk off the board. It's starting to slow down. Just the case. Oh, taking that good old risk off. See what it do. It's trying to push down. Push on down the road. Mm-hmm.
Cause where the 30-minute at right now, I got a potential setup. I just gotta see what this last one, what this last candle do.
You know, I'm in it. So, I've been long for a minute now. I've been long, trying to see if we get that push up, but it's not cooperating. It's coming down. So, and I done took risk off, so I'm just trying to see, can we get that push up or not? Okay, is it coming down? Coming back? So I got a level right here. So I just put it right. I put my take profit right below this level. So we'll see. I'm trying to see a good spot now. Take some of the risk off if we can't finally just go on and stop playing and break up. You know what I'm saying? It be acting like it want to go on and break up, but then they don't want to do nothing. It's out here playing in these streets. Okay, I like that. I do like that one now. I like that push up now. I do like that push up. All right, 30 minutes. Let's look at that 5 minute. I do like those candles. I do like that candle on the 5 stick, but it got to hold above it though. Stop playing. Stop playing. Push on up. Come on the 5 minute. That's a good looking candle on the 5 minute. It's a good looking candle. That's a good looking candle.
Dang, that's loud.
30 minute is pushing up. What you say? Keep rejecting. It won't go on pop. Pop it for a real one. Come on now. Pop it for a real one. I like that candles, but man, it ain't. It's refusing to pop it for a real one. Come on now.
$33.97.
Yeah, this there you go. All right. Here we go. Come on. I'm about to just stop playing. Take a little profit. It refused. It's refusing. It's refusing to pop this area, man. It's refusing. It's refusing. So you go look at the 15 minute. It's trying. Then you look at the 5 minute. You saw that candle right there. Usually a good sign. Usually. 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 It's when you trying to be patient. Let it go and do what it's supposed to do. There we go.
Oh man.
There we go. There we go. Go.
I'm watching you.
All right. This is what you gonna do. You gonna pop up, or you gonna fake out, break out on them? We fake out, break out. These candlesticks playing. There we go. Come on. All right, there it is. What? There we go.
Oh, it's creeping up there.
Order filled.
All right.
You're out of there.
Nah, I'm not out. I scaled out. So I took some profits. I went on because I wanted to go on and take some profits. So now it's free trade. I want to see if we can break back above 3,400. So now, I mean, I'm not gonna have. I'm not finna give up a whole lot, but I mean, I'm up almost 10 points in the trade, right? So why wouldn't I take profit and then watch this 3,400 area? Because I feel like either we finna break it or we not. So now my stop go to my full take profit, big trade, looking for that 34.7 area if we can hold against here. And then, I just kind of manage a little bit. I'm gonna wait before I mean, we already in take profit, but see if it can pop above that area and then, take it out and continue to the upside. Like I said, right now you over 9 points in the trade. You know what I'm saying?
Creeping up there.
Right. It's but I ain't doing it like I did last time. When it held, like, bro. All right, here we go. New candle.
Yeah.
Let's see what happens here. And this will be where exactly how I set my stop based off of how this reacts up here. It don't look like you really want to pop that area. We'll see. Let's put it. Yeah. Put it. This 96 area. Yep. There we go. So I'll ultimately take over 6 points if it, come back or whatever. Which also I'll see how I react here. I mean, now we start to push up. Now, is where I trail it. Okay, pushing up over. Let me see what it do. You got this level right here. They rejected hard off that level, huh?
Yeah, that's the open high.
Yeah, that's why I'm watching it. I don't want it to be a fake out breakout, but it may. Let's see. Yeah, we're not gonna give up that much. Yeah, we'll stay right here. All right. Yeah, there we go. So, see what happened here. Push up, push up, push up, push up. It's gonna fight. It's gonna fight now. It's gonna fight, cuz. It's gonna fight. Let's see. Tough spot. Okay, we over 10 points in it. 10 points. 10, let's see. Mm-mm. Come on. Break 34-1. We get to 34-1 cuz we break that area. I think we going up. We gotta break this. Break back above here. Hold this, break it, and then break above 31. 34-1. Come on. Come here. Oof. It's gonna be it. This is gonna be it anyway, regardless. Come on, man. Come on.
This just playing around.
Yeah. It's having a hard time in this little area. I'm like you. I'm about to go use the bathroom real quick while this make his mind up what he want to do.
Yeah.
Okay. Sometimes you gotta go walk away, see what it do when you walk away.
It's going up.
I see. Okay, let's see what it do. See, it's trying, man, but it's also struggling. It's trying. I see. Yeah, I see it had a little pullback, and then now it's pushing up. But we needed to go on, break and hold over 3,400, and then break 34-1. That's gonna be real telling if we can do that. But I mean, we struggling. What's that? I got that level right there. As you see, we struggling. We haven't broke above 34.07, 34. So let's see. Okay, there you go. There we go. Now I'm gonna break it.
Okay,
Yeah.
34.
Nice little push up. Okay.
0.2.
Okay. These the type of trades you live for, man. These over 10 points in this trade. Sheesh. Mm-hmm.
We got 7 minutes.
Mm-hmm. Back to 3,400. Hey man, it's trying, but it keep. Ugh. Come on. 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 Woo.
Ooh, it's okay. Oh, okay. It's about to go to the.
There we go. All right.
Previous day value.
Okay, we broke over that area. All right. Keep going. Finally. All right. Let's break that. Let's see what we do. Okay. This is the key. Now we get into the key that I want to see. Like I said, I want to break this area right here. It's 34.1 and hold there. We can do that. This area could give us a little. Okay. There we go. All right, keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. So now I'm looking for the RTH high, regular trading hours high, which we're approaching it, right? Which is, right here. So that's off the 930 candle. Man, pushing. Okay. New candle, 5 minute. All right. Can we go to test that high?
I'm looking at 3403.
So, you know what I'm saying? Well, this was the high. The morning of the regular trading hours. So that's what I'm looking for. So if we break that, I'm about to move my stop again. I'm up over 12 points in this trade right now. So up over 12 points. There's no sense in trying to see. Okay, are we gonna continue to the upside? Are we gonna break the highs? That was a nice rejection, wasn't it? Nice push back up.
Three minutes.
Okay. It's pushing up. Look like you want to test the highs. All right, we're gonna move our stop up more now. see what we're gonna do. Will we push up? We push up. Whew. Man, oh man. Regardless, this is a crazy trade. Trying to see. I'm trying not to trail it too close. I need to see what it do at 11 o'clock. Let's see if move the stop, and then from there, just let it do what it do. Mm-hmm. 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 It's trying, man. It's trying to push up. Will it break the highs, though? Will it break the highs? That is the question. Will it break the highs? Not will it test, but will it break? It's coming for sure. It's coming. Get to the thin. Say we got 30 some seconds. Let me look at that cam. Okay. We about to definitely move this up. Come on. See what you do off the highs. Don't, you're going the wrong way, baby. You're going the wrong way. There you go. There you go. Sweet cheeks. Pushing up. Pushing up. Push up. Push up. Yeah, nah, we ain't playing.
What we doing?
I'm all right, I moved my stop. There we go.
Ooh, it's gonna blow through the.
Come on. Come on. Can we take out the high? That's what I want to see. I want to see him take out the high. Come on. It's trying. It's trying to get up there. It's trying. Come on. Come on. Show me something. Oof. Show me something. I mean, regardless, I'm taking 10 points. So trying to see if it'll take out the high. Then if it take out the high, I'll move my stop again. But I needed to take out the high. I got my take profit at 34.074. So, which is another 5 points away. And we up over 13 points currently in the trade. Ugh. Come on. Take out the high. Take it out. I won't be mad at you personally. I won't. Now.
I'm trying to go the other way.
Woo-hoo!
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Dang. Okay.
All right. So we moving. Moving stops. Mm-mm. You trying to go the other way? No, sir. I'm.
I was looking for a retest.
Mm-mm. Nah, I don't like the way it's. I hope it might reject. I'm gonna move my stop here. It's cool. That's 11 points. All right.
Cub being greedy. Let me get some of that.
Well, I mean, regardless, I'm taking. You feel me? Regardless, I'm taking 11 points. So whether I take 18 or 11, full trade, 18 points. Lesson of the day, Adrian, take your time, brother. Take your time. Take your time. Man, take your time. Take your time. It's not a sprint. It's a marathon. So where did it come to? I got close to this one. This level. Got close to it. Okay. Like I said, I'm letting it do what it do. I'm trailing it, but I'm not, I'm about to get stopped out now. Stopped out.
I heard it.
Okay. Hey, like I said, took over 11 points.
I went short.
You short now?
Yeah, I went short.
Okay. Let's see what you got.
Yeah, buddy. Keep on coming. See, it's not an either or, cuz. You get yours, then let me get mine. That's all, hey.
I mean, you could be, two people can be right at the same
Nah,
time.
that's what I'm saying. You got your bread. Now let me eat a little bit. My turn to eat a little bit. Because I had a scratch trade. I didn't like my entry point on the previous trade, so I just got it back to break even, and I'm like, I'm done. So that's strike 2. So this is my last trade for the day. It would have been an L.
Okay, let's see what you got.
I'm
done. That's it for me. I'm done. Let's see where you make out. Let's see what happens here. Short.
Mm-hmm.
See what we do up in here. You getting back to that 3,400 area. See. Okay. This where I'll be kind of little like, come on, push through that. You getting back to that 3,400. You need to push through that 3,400. You need to push through that 3,400. $3,400. see what you're looking at on the 5 minute. Mm. Mm. Can he get the push?
Yeah, like it's fighting. Hey, it's going back the other way. Honestly. Doing what Cuz told me yesterday. Just don't follow it too tight.
Don't follow it too tight. Don't freak out.
I took one to kind of let me lock something in, but that's a strong area too.
Mm-hmm. That's the only thing. Like that. That's a. Whew. You in an area that's gonna give you a little trouble trying to break through it. But I mean, you can break on through that. You'll be all right. But you got your risk reward together, what you're willing to lose, right?
Yep.
So you good? You good? It's so you're just in a tight space for the moment. Yeah, you wanna give it some space to breathe.
All right, let's see.
You're struggling in this area. Go on, break it for you. Go on, break it. You break it, you be looking sweet. You be looking sweet. Hey. Come on. It's coming. It's trying to come back down. Come on down. Get through that tight little area. Okay. There you go.
Yeah. Okay.
There you go. Okay.
All right.
Pushing down. Pushing down. Okay. Mm.
Dang.
Mm.
Fight. Ugh.
Came right down to the level. You needed to hold. Ooh.
We got a minute left. Let's see what.
See what the 15 minutes change over for the 15 minute.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Mm. Looking at the 5 minute, it's definitely trying to push up on you.
Yeah, it's
It's trying, but it's holding. Pushed up here. Go back to the fitting. Fittings saying we fight. We right there slap in the middle. Which side we gonna pick? But the 5 minutes say we want to push up.
yeah.
Let's see. The higher time frame, and one of the reasons why I don't
Woo-wee.
really trade the lower time frames, because the lower time frames had you, man, them thing, man, looking at the lower time frames had you freaked out in a trade. Well, it would have me anyways. I'd be freaked out personally. Well, on the higher time frame, it's like, okay, we still in it, but on the lower time frame, it's like, nah, bro, you you finna get beat up. Ooh.
Yeah, it's like it's going up. It wants to push up.
Let's see. Yeah, my charts even changed to saying go long. Saying the better play is long, but let's see.
You
I
know.
mean, it pulled right to that 3,400 and then bounced off of it. 34.02, 34.2. Ugh. Mm. Mm.
Ugh.
It's about to be real telling. You need a rejection.
Mm-hmm.
It don't look like it want to get one.
It's not. It don't look like it. Might be the last one for me.
Mm. Maybe it might, reject out the highs right here.
Got me. Got me.
Checked out the highs. My My goal is that 34.7 area. Well,
That's it.
that's it. So how did you fare for the day? How did you end? Where'd you end up?
I ended up. Well, I'm down. I'm down 890.
Okay. Okay.
8,700. No, 870. 870.
Okay. 470. So I'm down. Not nothing crazy, but still, with me being down so much. I mean, so little. Could I have continued trading? Absolutely.
Yeah, yeah.
But but I wanted to stay key to my plan, my rules that I set. And so for me, one thing that I do, I adjust my rules over based off of how I'm trading and what I'm seeing. I may, change that to where it's like, okay, well, if you're gonna have tighter stops, then maybe you could go to 3 trades instead and see what happens there. Um, if you're gonna have tighter stops. But usually I have more size and bigger stops. So that makes more sense for me to do. Um and so and it's like I'm really not down much going into tomorrow. So first day, you just kind of wanna get your feet wet and not freak out. And I really before we go, I just we gotta go back over here, man. This is crazy. Like he is just literally pushing up, and then you would have had another opportunity, came straight down to this level to start back pushing up again. NQ, brother, man, same thing, just up here making higher highs. Like, what oil looking like over here? Oil look like we at a level now, starting to push up as it broke back above. But clearly ES and NQ was definitely for me. If I was to take trades early with a better play, but I mean, I still ended up taking a nice one, right? That was points there. So, and look like it's still going up, huh?
Yep.
Yeah, we done broke the highs again. Kind of pushing, but yeah. So that's what it is, man. It be like that sometimes. We shall return and be
Say
back.
being a good loser,
I
huh?
don't even know. Got to be a good loser. I'm not. I'm not disappointed because that's the beautiful thing. Sticking to my rules, I know tomorrow I'll be fine. You know what I'm saying? But I don't. I'm trying to figure out. I think I got to look at my calendar. I think I got a doctor's appointment at 11 o'clock tomorrow. So
yeah, Wednesday I'm out.
So I might be looking at the charts tonight and not going live. So I guess that means we'll be back on. You said you out Wednesday, so Thursday. Be back on Thursday then if can't do it, because I definitely got a doctor's appointment. Yep, I do. I do at 11 o'clock, and you know how I feel about rushing trades, so I'm not. I'm not rushing no trades. That's not happening. So yeah, man, appreciate you guys tuning in. Hey, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And we'll be back probably Thursday. Will be the next day that we come in here on live. Take it easy.